Today we are learning about noun. Everything that we see around us as a name, be it a person, place, animal, or thing. All these naming words are called noun. Noun is a word that represents a person, place, animal, or a thing. We are surrounded by so many persons or people around us. It could be teacher, mother, farmer, doctor, and many more. Everybody has a name. And every place also has a name, like school, park, beach, zoo, etc. Animals also have names, such as dog, lion, elephant, bear, and many more. Likewise, everything that we see around us have names too. For example, ball, toys, basket, mug, etc. Everything around us has a name. Come, let's identify nouns in the following sentences. The boy is riding a bicycle. In this sentence, boy is a person and bicycle is a thing. So we have two nouns in this sentence. One is a person and other is a thing. In this sentence, the cat is on the mat. We have cat, cat is an animal, and mat, mat is a thing. Again, we have two nouns in this sentence. Now read the sentence. The children are in school. In this sentence, children represent people and school represent place. So again, there are two nouns in this sentence. Rohan has a pet dog. Now Rohan is a person and dog is an animal. So again, there are two nouns in this sentence.